Ito ay isa sa mga kadalasang problema ng mga kabataan, lalo na sa mga teenagers. Sa mga babae, merong mga hormonal imbalance, and even adults ang pagkakaroon ng uncontrollable tigyawat or acne breakouts. Ito ay isa sa mga dapat mong malaman. At kung ikaw ay isa sa mga taong merong ganitong kondisyon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga practical guidelines para makontrol ang ganitong problema. So please, watch this video. Hi guys! Welcome back again sa panibagong episode ng Pinoy Nutrition. This is Bricks, your nutrition advisor. And for today's topic is all about how to control or how to manage your pimples or acne breakout. Remember guys that this is a medical advice. It may work for you or it may not. Kasi meron tayong mga kanya-kanyang physiologic response. So here are the 10 tips you can apply to control your acne or pimple breakouts. So guys, ito din yung mga ways na ginawa ko nung nag-suffer ako ng sobrang daming tigyawat. So I hope na some of these advices might work for you as well. So number 1, avoid touching your face. So remember guys, na yung kamay natin is one of the dirtiest part of our body. Ang dami nating hinahawakan and thousands of bacteria are actually present in our palm or in our fingertips. What causes your pimples is actually bacteria. So the red, painful inflammations are actually natural response sa ating katawan na merong infections. So once you keep on touching your face, hindi ka lang nag-i-introduce ng panibagong bacteria dun sa mukha mo, kinakalat mo pa sila. Especially dun sa mga area na hindi pa infected ng pimples. So once you touch the pimple itself, then nag-touch ka ulit dun sa mga unaffected area, you're actually introducing a new pimple to grow. Now guys, if you really need to touch your face, what you need to do is to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, not just sanitizer. So hindi talaga perfect na nakakatulong yung sanitizer alone. But to combine it with soap and water, and then after nun, mag-sanitizer kayo or mag-alcohol before kayo mag-touch na inyong face. Tip number 2, wash your face before going to bed. Although hindi mo hinawakan ang iyong mukha throughout the day, but still, you still acquire the bacteria from the air, from the usok, from the alikabok, doon sa paligid mo. It is best way to practice to wash your face or take a bath kung kaya mo namang maligo before going to bed, much better. To remove any bacteria present in the body. There are also bacteria present in the hair. Especially kung yung buhok mo is mahaba, pwede sila mag-transfer dun sa mukha mo. And make it sure to replace your pillowcase every 3 days. Tip number 3, apply your facial cleanser or your toner. After mo maligo, there are still bacteria that are not completely off in your body. So by simply using your facial cleanser, mas maganda na yung mga facial cleanser or toner na merong antibacterial agents. So this will also help to remove dead skin, yung mga oil na nagbablock doon sa pores, at yung mga bacteria na naiwan pa during sa pagligo mo. Tip number 4, apply 5% benzoyl peroxide. So ang ginawa mo, hindi mo na hinawakan yung mukha mo sa buong araw, naligo ka before going to bed, nag-apply ka ng facial toner na merong antibacterial agent, huwag mo itong kalimutan to apply 5% benzoyl peroxide before going to sleep. So napakalaking tulong nito, especially sa mga tigyawat mong padami na padami. So this agent is very helpful to kill the microorganism na nagkukos ng pimples. So this is an over-the-counter cream or medicine na pwede nyo mabili sa inyong mga local store. So guys, remember that this is a very strong agent na pwede mo sunog ang inyong balat, lalo't pag napadami ang inyong paglagay. So pakunti-kunti lang. And don't forget to use your Q-tip, okay, to apply that product. Huwag niyong kamay-kamayin. And again, as I've said, it may work for you or it may not. Obserbahan mo lang mula sa paggamit mo 3 to 5 days kung effective yung pagpatuloy mo. Kung hindi, stop mo na. And by the way, this product may cause bleaching to your clothes, especially dun sa mga color clothes nyo. Pwede siyang mag-bleach. Only apply before going to bed and also in the morning. So, better way pa rin guys to consult your dermatologist. Open. Wala pa. Before tayo pumunta sa tip number 5, subscribe ka muna. Tip number 5, huwag kalimutang mag-exfoliate at least once a week. Sa akin naman, yung personal na experience ko lang, ito yung ginagamit ko, itong St. Ives. By the way guys, hindi ito disclaimer lang guys, hindi ito sponsored na mga products na aking ini-endorse. Ito lang yung mga personal kong ginagamit para naman sinishare ko lang. By having face exfoliations once a week, it helps to remove dead skin, yung mga blackheads, whiteheads, at saka yung mga oil na nagka-clog doon sa inyong pores. So by removing those, nababawasan yung percentage na magkaka-infect kasi ang ginagawa ng bacteria, doon sila magsisettle sa whiteheads, sa blackheads at saka sa mga dead skin. So pag hindi mo tinanggal yon, doon sila dadami na dadami, kaya tutubuan ka ng pimples pag hindi mo sila tinanggal. And for my personal advice, do it once a week para hindi ma-irritate yung inyong skin. Guys, masyado na tayong napahaba ng oras. For tip number 6 and 7, panoorin mo tong video na to. At subscribe ka na rin sa aking channel, don't forget the notification bell para always kang updated sa mga bagong health tips na aking upload. Salamat!